Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Xiaomi 13 Pro and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account from this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, so let's tap on it and here let's scroll down in order to find this account section. Of course right in the middle we've got the Google section and we can basically add or remove a Google account using it, but to be honest I personally prefer to do it using kind of more general section. So let's tap on Accounts and Sync and tap on Add Account. Choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, because after tapping on Next, your device will simply autofill it. So here we have to enter the password and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on Next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on Accept. And now we can go back. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can remove it whenever you want to. You have to just tap on it, tap on More, and tap on Remove Account. Tap on Remove Account again. And as you can see, it will immediately disappear, but be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock reset, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So basically that's all. This is how to manage Google account in your Xiaomi 13 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.